One thing to note is some of the holes in the bolts, there's some misalignments, but nothing you can fix with some persuasion. And overall, I feel like it's a really good fit. I was kind of worried that it wasn't going to be rigid enough. And once all the bolts are on, it's really sturdy, and I'm very happy with it so far. This is a 7-piece set, and you can orient them as any way fits your need. Of course, I don't know if these are end tables, but they could be used as footrest and additional chairs when you have additional guests. These covers are good quality, and I think they're weatherproof. I'm not sure. Anyway, definitely got it. I highly recommend it.